Hello everybody and welcome back to another lockpicking video. In today's video we're gonna have a look at this Kasp 14540. It is a marine graded padlock, and more on this in a second. And yeah, I just ordered this out of desperation because I ran out of locks on my summer vacation or workation. I was renovating some stuff, and when I go on summer vacation I usually take some picks with me. Usually just some hooks, mostly multi-pick or something, but I always bring along some locks. I like to have some padlocks because you can pick them easily in hand. I don't need a vise. I won't bring a vise on summer vacation. And this time I did not bring enough locks, so I checked quickly what is available on short notice online, and I found this Kasp padlock. I have had a Kasp 14040 before, which is a nice American lock clone, a bit more secure than the 1100 in my opinion. And this was good fun, so I thought, yeah, let's go with Kasp once again. And as mentioned, this is a marine graded padlock. It has a 5 out of 15 on the security rating. And yeah, a lot of components are here designed to be to withstand the sea water environment. The shackle is stainless steel. It has a mirror chrome solid brass body lock, and a lot of stuff is rust free. And down here we see it's a 5-pin cylinder. Yep, that's true, and it has security pins. If they are anti-pick mushroom pins, I don't know, but they are definitely spools. And the pericentric keyway is also pretty nice. So let's get this in a vise and see how it picks. See you back in a second. So you are back in a vise. This is actually the bitting with a very short key pin in 5. Really nice. Works just fine. Now all locked up again, so we can pick it. Let's get the tensioner in here. And yeah, let's start off with these medium hook here, PN07 and 0.6 millimeters. Pin 1, pin 2, and we have a small false set. Pin 3, pin 4, we lost the false set, so let's pick 1, 1 and 2 again, 3 as well. So with the spool, it's quite nice that you have to repick a bunch. Just touched 5, and I think I touched 2 as well. Let's get a steeper hook, the F05 in 0.5 millimeters. This was just pin 5 left. Nice. So yeah, sometimes with these extreme bittings it's nice to have a steep hook that can reach through the bitting and reach all the way down on these short key pins. Yeah. So good fun padlock. Grab one if you can. I don't know if they are available outside of Europe. Are they made in China? Not sure. Carl Kammerling International. Not sure where they are made. Yeah, so if you know where they are made, let me know in the comments. Would be very curious. But for me, that's all on this Kasp 145/40, and I'm happy to be back after summer vacation, workation, whatever, and back in the office. Okay, hope to see you in the next video. Bye.